Small business loans despite bad credit. It is a common fact that businesses wouldn't run as smoothly without capital. Even with a fixed investment for your mini business, there are always unexpected expenses that will crop up from time to time. The only way to solve this problem is through small business loans. But, is it possible for someone who has a bad credit rating to avail of such financial help? Yes, they can. It is true that having a bad credit rating can hinder the possibility of vying for a financial loan to help your small enterprise. Many traditional and conservative financial institutions, like banks, are only accepting individuals with good credit scores and shunning the rest. But that is no longer the case today. Secured and unsecured loans. Considering the number of financial lenders in the market, many stay on the competitive side by offering small business loans despite bad credit status. These loans come in two basic forms: secured and unsecured. Secured loans are financial aids with collateral as security, which can either be in residential or business property, or any assets with the same value. Unsecured loans are the opposite. Lenders will give you the financial help you ask for without any security at all, which can be useful if you don't have any plans to input your assets at further risks. Secured loans, however, allow you to loan larger amounts, unlike its counterpart, at lower interest rates and better payment terms. Unsecured loans are usually attached with a much higher interest rate and much stricter payment schemes. Also, unsecured loans require in-depth credit checks and assurances before you can be accepted for one. Since this type of loan is very risky, especially from the lender's point of view, they need to maximize the possibility of getting back what is owed in case things go wrong. However, this can be easily achieved by approaching SBA or Small Business Administration for help. This organization will act as an assurance to the lender regarding the unsecured loan despite your bad credit status. Even if you have a bad credit status, you can easily get a small business loan by having ready documents that will testify to the financial stability of your business. If your venture is earning a sizable income, you can provide financial statements like balance sheets and income statements to give evidence of that fact. Looking for a lender. When you search for a lender of a bad credit small business loan, you need to take into consideration some areas before you proceed. First, you need to keep in mind the condition of the loan before you get one. Take into consideration interest rates and payment terms and conditions if you can cope up with them. This is usually the case when you go for secured loans, and using your properties as security. You need to keep in mind that failure to pay these loans can cost you your assets, as well as your business venture. Also, this is a fine opportunity for you to build up your credit score while going for a bad credit loan. Try to look for one with payment schemes that you can readily afford. Prompt payment for these can boost your credit scores up a notch, which will improve getting much better financial aids in the near future. Watch the next video on your screen.